arrived here at DT1. All the boys are gearing up. We're here in the Athletes Lounge. Right away, I have a blowout before we even get on course. You hate to see it, but got to pay to play, huh? Well, after a little track maintenance and some watering.
Not bad,
and
not bad.
Cool 90 degrees in Tulare, we're stepping out of the Athletes Lounge.
Here we go, baby.
It's time to ride.
First photo of the day, 11:30, right on time.
Been here for an hour, haven't ridden yet, but you know what? We're just extra charged up.
And the ruts are getting better.
Nah, they're getting good. Look at the course.
I heard they're deep.
Oh, they're deep, but you like it deep.
I like it deep.
Just lay it in, huh? Lay it over, lay it down, lay it thick. Balls deep. And we got Jeff. My name's Jeff.
Hi.
Been a long time.
Been a while, boys.
How we doing?
We're good, man.
A lot of people don't know Jeff invented taking photos at the track. Humble dude. He's been in retirement, but he's out and he's back and he's ready to rip.
Been a minute. See if we still got it, dude.
You got it, Jeff. Let's get it.
Yep.
The boys are fired up. Little petroleum, little chain lube. We'll be back out on it. Michael Mays is geared up, ready to absolutely rip. 420's out. O'Neill teammates enjoying the ride. Hell yes, brother. I haven't even been out yet. You got to throw one whip and then you came back, huh?
I did one lap and they flagged me off. They were already flagging, but I was like, dude, just let me get one. He's like,
hell yeah.
Yeah, you ready to ride or what?
I'm ready. I'm fired up.
Hell yeah, the track's really good.
Right work, always.
Why? Every episode now?
Every episode now.
Unbelievable. What do we got? What's our issue today?
Let's see if that thing starts. Click that thing.
Let's see what this is all about. Come on, Cowie's never best. Give us something.
Cowies.
This is like Eli's new bike too, huh?
Yeah.
At least the air filter's clean.
Oh, it's perfect.
No, that thing is dialed.
I brought an extra one for no reason.
You did. That is yours, huh? Too hot to change your filter.
That's what I thought. There's the problem.
Oh! No way. All right. So if you had no bolt and you just held it, now you're ground.
At least you didn't rag in the airbox, dude.
What do you think? What would you do? Would you fix it or just take the seat off every meta?
Probably solder it.
Zip tie it.
Oh, that's a good idea. I got zip
All you
ties.
gotta make is that connection.
Damn. Right there. Little zip tie job.
For you.
This is why you're the man.
They
Factory.
come from the island, dude. They gotta use the resources.
I would have just kept taking the seat off, honestly.
Imagine Urban yesterday. We're running from the cops and this thing won't start.
Oh, that would've been rough.
We're trying to
Well,
bump
dude,
start you.
this thing was barely in there like that, probably. And that's
Yeah.
how it's barely starting.
That's crazy. I thought you blew your bike up. That's better than blowing it up.
No, it's gonna make it ground for sure. That's factory spec.
It's kind of like plastic.
Rango wrench. He does that to all Anderson's bikes just in case so it doesn't slip off. But yeah, no, this dude does pull-ups.
Oh, yeah, lots of bullets. You want me to get cutters for you?
Sure, if you have some. Thank you.
Little snippers?
Damn, that thing is dialed. You got a few more rides.
Yeah.
It's a Cowie.
You should see mine, dude. It gets sandblasted. I got the open air box.
Yeah, and that thing's just sticking out right there.
I'm riding the 06 YZ 450 quad filter on it.
Yeah, I seen that. You know what'd be better is if you put a rag in the intake so then the dirt wouldn't get down in
Oh
there.
yeah, that's really good. It helps with my throttle control.
It could be better. Might work on it in post a little bit. Get that thing cropped.
Yeah, the guy does not miss. Just dialed in. Here comes Tito. Yes, sir. Well, we have a fuel pump malfunction on Eli's Cowie 250, which they're known for doing. So now Ryder's got to Uber him back on the Loner 450. It's a bad deal. Bad deal. Good day, bad deal. Hurricane Hillary hit pretty hard. Let's see what we're working with. About a 1/2 inch right there. Already had to pull the carpet out. It's leaking so bad. Check it. We got a little moisture coming out right here. Ooh, maybe a little bit of black mold up on the top of the roof as well. Carpet has officially been yanked. Yeah. See, normally right turns are pretty gnarly. Oh, there it is. Yeah, she's filling up still. Let's take her down the road, really clear this thing out. There we go. Little flash flood coming up towards the front here now. So we like to see it. Shout out Hillary. Bang another right. Yep, there we go. I have a feeling this one's gonna hit the hardest. A right-hander into some elevation. Got a squirter. Just tossed in a fresh nose oil in the Honda. Air filter had been about 6 or 9. Let's see Schmeeds, he's battling this one right now. It must be a Cowie thing.
Yeah, they're awkward. Tight and they're awkward.
Damn, normally that's a good thing with the awkward parts. It is kind of weird, huh?
I know, I'm struggle bus over here.
Yeah, get that thing popped on.
Oh, you blew a thumb too, so you just oiled a thumb.
I know, it's not looking good for me this morning.
These Calibars actually work, because look at this guy. You don't want to come across. He's right in our line choice too. Should I keep going, or do you want to get out there and move him yourself manually?
I don't know. He looks kind of pissed. Look at the freaking horns on the dude.
I'll get up close to this guy. Watch. I'm a whisper.
Ballsy.
Check my pants and my shoes. My setup just wants it to happen. I gotta put the hand out a bit here. Oh yeah, see? He knows. Come on. Good source of vitamin D right there. We've just pulled up Chocolate Mountain Ranch, probably the most beautiful scenery you could ever have in California. Our buddy's gassing up easy with that can. You already know how that thing goes, you know?
Yeah.
Careful. Think you got it first try? Might be a Cowie thing, or maybe it's just this bike. The two-hand approach. Girth.
Perfect.
Still on the 250. Painter here, some of the bigger jumps, but it don't matter for you. Just click up another gear, right?
Shifting gears past clears.
Yes, sir. It's 2023, so be careful the way you say that.
Oh, yeah, I forgot.
Take a look here. Hurricane Hillary has hit hard. It's been 2 or 3 days. There's still moisture down on the course. Look at the step-ups. Groomed up, ready for some pop dog. Arena cross looking good, enduro cross looking good. Boys were getting after it yesterday. Still chocolate on the ground. It's our time to get after it. First jumps of the day going down. Eli's fired up. He's sitting him first on the 250. Kind of got some mud puddles we got to deal with, but looks like you were navigating pretty well.
Just gotta go around him.
And then Ryder's got his broken hand, but it's not stopping him. He said he wouldn't ride for 2 weeks, and here we are 2 days later. Built different.
It's hurting.
The jumps are pristine.
Do anything for the chicks. Make them happy.
Here goes Eli. He's dropping. Ultimate line choice around the mud. Gets on the gas. Pulls a turn up. Third into fourth. Ooh, jumps in. 450. Little wind. Let's keep pushing. Yes, sir. Hurricane Hillary has these ants pissed off. These black warriors. Good thing you got your black Alpine Star Tech 10s on because it'll take off a little nub there, buddy.
I got ants in my pants. I got ants in my pants.
The black ones were fighting the red ones. That's what happened when we went in there.
Really?
And they're growing wings. I'm no Steve Irwin, but I don't know what the winged ants are all about, but that's who was fighting down there. It's territorial. The wind comes right through this little canyon right here, so you drop down, you start getting some speed, shoot out like a cannon. Wind hits you just a bit there. Kind of throws you off your flight pattern, but throws the wings out, he's able to save it. Professional.
Like that?
You're coming in nose heavy.
And then, well, the second one was for Uncle Ronnie.
Yeah, nose down and the nose up.
Yeah. Some new 2023 shit.
Yeah, no one else did that right now.
Oh, that was kind of sketchy. That little rain right in the middle is freaking giving me a little huck.
Down here?
Yeah.
I know it's starting to rut up right here. Bank through and then just a little bit of rutting going on and then that bad boy right there, huh? It's all about the angles. Committed to this. Oh yeah. That's the one. No problem, huh?
Style, just freaking like a soaring eagle. Straight landed that thing.
Professional. You're coming a little slow right here initially, and I didn't want you to hang it up like you did back in the day when this thing was brand new.
I know, it's been dirty.
2 years later, he's riding better than ever. Soared right over that thing.
Let's go. Maybe I get some style points now.
He went so far.
Turn up, he's feeling it now.
Good thing my freaking gold valve soaked up that.
That landing right there, the race X just came through for you?
I just landed the flat.
I bet, because when you yanked it so hard, it gave you another 60 or 90 feet.
All those muscles, I need to stop working out.
Woo! while, but Steve is back. Just got done praying. He's looking for a meal. Hopefully he doesn't pop up on me here. He's looking a little camera shy. It's been a couple of vlogs. What up, Steve? Out. Let him hang. How'd he get up there? He jumped?
I don't know.
Look at Steve.
He just landed on me.
He's trying to hang.
Oh.
Put him on the bars. Let him go for a ride.